Privilege of introducing our Toastmaster for today's event, Mr. Freddie Williams. Freddie is a man of God and an alumnus of Morris Brown College and a magnificent musician. He is also the wonderful husband of Martha Williams and the proud father of Great Williams. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Mr. Freddie Williams.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm grateful. I'm honored to come and be your Toastmaster, MC, whatever. But I'm honored, and I'm grateful for Ponce asking me out. I see a lot of familiar faces, and those faces I don't see, I don't know. You see a family, so you're here. So we're going to start the festivities with the poem by Deanne Williams, Thanksgiving Time by Langston Hughes.
Hello. This is Thanksgiving Time by Langston Hughes. When the night winds whistle through the trees and blow the crisp brown leaves are crackling down, when the autumn moon is big and yellow, orange and round, when old Jack Frost is sparkling on the ground, it's Thanksgiving time. When the pantry jars are full of minced meat and the shelves are laden with sweet spices for a cake, when the butchered man sends up a turkey nice and fat to bake, when the stores are crammed with everything ingenious cooks can make, it's Thanksgiving time. When the gales of coming winter outside your window howl, when the air is sharp and cheery so it drives away your scowl, when one's appetite craves turkey and would have no other fowl, it's Thanksgiving time. Thank you.
You know, this time of season, it earmarks a time of celebration, a time of families getting together, a time of possibly some of you all leave the dinner table and get into your car and go park at Walmart and at the mall for Black Friday. That's all good. But it's a time that we can also reflect, a time of gathering, a time of family, a time of love, a time of feasting, and a time of celebrating. So we're grateful, and again, we're grateful to our host, Ms. Ponce for bringing us all together in love. We're grateful, and I'm grateful for the ministry of Providence Baptist Church and Dr. Gerald Hurley for allowing this event to be here. So I honor this church. Ma'am?
We got a new pastor.
New pastor?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
His name is Damian Williams.
Okay, pastor. Okay, this is the pastor, child. Okay. They do that in the church. No disrespect. Amen. And everybody say amen.
Amen.
All right. I will assure you this one thing, though. We will not be taking up an offering today. I'm going to get that clear. Don't get to worry about any type of offering. But you can leave with love offering. At this time, there's a scripture in the Bible that says, let the word of Christ dwell in you richly in all wisdom, admonishing one another in psalms and hymns and spiritual songs, singing and making melody in your hearts unto the Lord. It is my pleasure at this time to present to you the voices of praise I was listening to them as they were rehearsing. I don't call it rehearsing because they sound so superb. And not only just superb, but they sound anointed. They're anointed. I'm grateful for my dear goddaughter. We kind of split her between me and Mitch. He gave us money, I gave him love. It's a joke. But truthfully speaking, we are really grateful and thankful for Jackie. I remember Jackie when she was, when I put her in a little walker. I think I'm the one that, I consider myself the one that started her to walk, you know. Because I got that from Jesus, I got that from So I'm really grateful. So I present to you the voices of praise, Rita Mixon.